you're painting the ceiling, fixing the fence, or wondering how to fix that hole in the wall, give Peter Wolfcamp a call on 0800 80 1080, The Resident Builder on News Talk ZB.
This morning, we've got a chance to catch up with Mark Haldane from Sweetwater Construction, based in the far north up in Kaitaia. Mark is going to give us a bit of a rundown on his experience with the J&L Triboard panel housing and J-Frame. So, Mark, thanks very much for joining us. Let's get started with the Triboard panel housing construction. What are the key advantages from your perspective?
A couple of key advantages are the efficiency of the panel. A lot of the work's done off-site. So once we actually get them to site, it just makes it so much more efficient, I guess, to stand it and construct the houses.
Yeah.
Another one is the waste. It's just, way less waste on site, so it makes it less, environmental factors of that and, cost.
Okay. Hey, now, in terms of triboard, let's say over conventional framing, those advantages that you talk about, the speed, the lack of waste, those sorts of things, what other advantages?
The strength, it's super strong, eh? So, in terms of bracing elements and, if you've got tenants or kids or something like that, they can save you a few dollars in some repairs.
Absolutely. And now, understanding that you're also collaborating with Vincent Garton from Strand Homes in Kaitaia, how's that working out?
Yeah, it's fantastic to be working with, a supplier like that. They quite often do house and land packages, so it just makes it, very easy to working with them and, build some houses up here. So.
Awesome. Another part of what J&L can do is J-Frame, the LVL. Now, I've been using it for about at least 15 years or so. Your switch to J-Frame, how have you found that? Yeah,
it's been fantastic. I've just done my first house out of it, and
right.
it's a good sized house, and it's very straight and strong, and hasn't been, twisting and bowing like the pink stuff normally does. So.
And if other chippies are thinking about moving from conventional framing to J-frame, what would be your top tip, given that you've just swapped over?
A nice surface nail gun, because it's a bit harder to shoot into than the soft pink stuff. So
right.
Make sure you looked after your nail gun, and it's ready to go, and it goes sweet. So
that's brilliant. Hey, and 2024, 2023 to some degree has been pretty tough for chippies. For you and the team at Sweetwater Construction, what does 2025 look like?
Probably the highest priorities is finishing off some of these pretty cool projects we've got going at the moment. There's a fair bit of work that we're stuck into at the moment. Just ticking those boxes and making sure we finish those projects to the best standard we can. So
awesome. Hey, thanks for joining us this morning, and really appreciate the insights, and hope that this year works out really well for you. To check out Mark's work, have a look at sweetwaterconstruction.co.nz. To learn more about Triboard and J-Frame, go to jnl.co.nz. Your News Talk ZB. It was great to catch up with Mark. Sweetwater Construction, check him out. And if you want to see more about J-Frame, which is an LVL framing timber, or about Triboard, check out jnl.co.nz.